To use double tap function on Motorola Edge 50 Neo, first we'll need to open our settings. Then you will need to find the gestures. Inside we can scroll down and look for the double tap, not a double press power key. It's called quick launch. Now if you double tap your phone when this function is active, it will perform one of the things that you can choose right here by clicking on the gear icon. You can choose what app or what action it should perform. For example, play and pause music. In this case, we're gonna go with take a screenshot. Then you can also change the tap strength. If it's really hard to perform, then you can go for gentle tap. If it's too sensitive, you can go for moderate tap or hard tap. And I'm just gonna go with the gentle tap. And then you need to pick up your phone, and I'm gonna tap right here below the camera. And yep, it works fine. It takes a screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.